Hello Jay, let me introduce you to our storekeeper. She will explain how to keep materials properly in the store today. Hello Edity. How are you today?
I am fine, chef. How are you?
I am fine as well. I brought Jay along to show him the store and show him how to keep things properly in the store.
Great, today is a great day as I just removed all the materials from the shelves to clean it. Now I am going to stack the things back. Jay can stay here and learn.
Alright then, I will go to the kitchen. Once you're done explaining, will you drop him back to the kitchen?
Okay Jay, so let's begin. As we go along, I will tell you how to keep things in the store. You see those cartons? They have to be stacked back to the shelves. But we will remove the materials from the cartons and keep only the ingredients.
But why are we removing it from the carton? Would it not be easier to just keep it in the cartons?
That is a very good question. We have to throw the cartons out because it may have some pest hiding inside it. While keeping things back in the store, we will keep glass bottles in the lowest rack. That way in case there is an accident, the glass pieces will not spread far.
So I will keep these bottles of milk and beer on the lowest shelf.
Yes, you're right. Keep them on the lowest shelf. Well done. Now keep heavy materials on the second lowest shelf. You should not keep very heavy materials on the high shelf because you may hurt your back while removing it. Now keep those smaller packets on the top shelf. Very nice. So what did you learn today, Jay?
Thanks Aditi. I learned how to keep things properly in the store. Glass bottles on the lowest shelf, and the other materials on the higher shelf.
Yes, keeping things properly in stores is essential. Come back tomorrow and I will tell you about another concept called FIFO.
Alright, I look forward to learning about it.
As Chef Simon told you to subscribe to this channel to learn about hotels. You should. It will be good learning for you.
Also do not forget to visit clarifiedbetter.com to keep learning. See you tomorrow.